Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to break down how to open a stock trading account step by step. So if you have been looking for a clear and simple guide, this walkthrough will help you get started with confidence. All right. So let us quickly start with the basics. Okay. A stock trading account is your gateway to the market. All right. It is where you can buy and sell stocks, track your portfolio, and manage your trades. Right. Opening one is not complicated, but it is important to understand each stage so you don't miss any key steps. Okay. So the first step is choosing the right broker. Brokers are the platforms or companies that provide access to the stock market. When choosing a broker, you have to consider factors like the ease of use, regulation, fees, available research tools, and the overall reliability of the platform. Okay. A good broker can make your trading experience smooth and stress free. Now, once you have chosen your broker, right? Let us stock trading brokers. Once you have chosen your broker, remember that you have to, do the necessary research and probably check for reviews, check for the features of the brokers, and then, select the particular broker that suits your needs. Okay. So after uh, selecting a broker, the next step is registration. All right. The next step is going to be registration. So this usually involves creating an account on their website or mobile app. You'll be asked for personal information such as your name, date of birth, you know, email address, and contact details, right? Some brokers may also ask about your financial background and trading experience to comply with regulations. After registration comes the verification process, right? To activate your stock trading account, you'll need to provide proof of identity and proof of address. Commonly accepted documents include a passport, driver's license, or national ID, along with a utility bill or a bank statement. Verification ensures that your account is secure and compliant with financial regulations, right? So using this particular broker as an example, you can see that there is a space for the personal information and there are additional informations, and then there is account configuration and then the verification, right? So you need to pass through this process, to ensure that your account is, secure and compliant with financial regulations. Now, once your account is verified, it is time to set up your portfolio. All right. In simple steps, you can get your account verified. All right. So, if you are really, really interested in creating a stock account, then you can go on to fill in all the details and then, complete the entire registration and verification process. All right. Now, once your account is verified, you have to set up your profile. It might include customizing your security settings, linking your bank account, and adjusting your account preferences, right? Setting up strong security features like two-factor authentication is always recommended to keep your account safe. The next step is funding your account, right? Most brokers allow deposits via bank transfer, debit or credit card, and sometimes even e-wallets, right? So it is important to check the available funding methods on your broker's platform and choose the one that works best for you. Now, once the funds are in your account, you are ready to explore the trading tools. Okay. Now that your account is active and funded, right? That is, I'm just taking you through the process now. If you are funded by now, or maybe you are already done with verification by now, and then you really want to trade, you have to fund if you want to trade, unless if you want to practice on a demo account first, which I recommend. Okay. So, but after you have already maybe done practicing and all of that, and then you decide to fund, you have to spend some time getting familiar with the platform. So I recommend that you explore the stock charts, you explore the order types, the watch lists, and the research tools that are provided. All right. Many brokers also offer demo accounts, which are great for practice before going live. So you have to take advantage of these features to understand how everything works. And basically, that is it, right? So the next things that you have to do is, understanding the strategy that you're going to be using for your trading, understanding both fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and even market sentiment, right? Understanding traders' psychology and all of those things, right? So those ones are now left for you to understand in order to be a profitable stock trader. Okay. So that is the complete process of how to open a stock trading account. It's a very, very simple process. All right. It's just, I don't want to open an account with this particular uh, broker. I think I have already opened accounts with a lot of brokers already. I'm not ready to add another one to my list. Okay. So I just decided to explain the process instead of filling in the details and proceeding with it, right? But it's a very, very simple process. You fill in your details, you pass the registration, upload your documents for the verification. You can see what it wrote here. You have to provide verifiable proof of identity, like your identity card or passport. Okay, just like what I already mentioned. Okay, so once you're done with the verification process, then you can talk about funding your account. So once you have gone through these steps, you'll have a fully functional stock trading account ready to use. If this video gave you clarity on how to open a stock trading account, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way, you always have access to more trading tutorials, tips, and guides to help you along the way. Now you know how to open a stock trading account and take your first steps into the world of stock trading. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.